Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch free videos on Amazon Prime. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, for to watch the videos or free videos on Prime, you will need to have the Freevee app of Amazon. So basically to have it or to stream free on these devices, basically if you have a mobile devices like phone or a tablet, you will need just to search for the Freevee app on your iPhone or Android, and basically you need just to download the Freevee app from the device and then open the Freevee app and you can start enjoying the free movies and TV shows. Otherwise, if you have some streaming media like Android TV or Apple TV, Google TV, you will need just to download them from there and you will be able to start accessing the free content of Amazon. Otherwise, you can do the same steps with the Smart TV or the Amazon Fire TV family. And basically, after you go to the app, you will find all the free uh, free items or the free content to watch or the free movies and series. You will need just to start clicking on them, and you will be able to start playing your movies after accessing or after having creating your account on the Freevee app. So basically, this is how you can watch free videos in the TVs or movies and series. Thank you for watching and see you next time.